Sacred geometry is a powerful weapon for good and for evil. It uses the forces of the universe to harness energy and magnify it in a way that is not otherwise possible. These images are made of light and are thus even more powerful in their ability to transform energy because of the speed in which they can transmit it. The speed of light is well documented, but its vibrational frequency is of note when combined with shape. Dimensional patterns are everywhere. Children learn about 2D and 3D shape that makes up your world, but shapes and patterns come in much more complex dimensional formations that can potentially be used to alter realities. Sacred geometry has long been used by the dark forces and those who wish to alter reality to suit their own egotistic purposes, and they have succeeded, in many ways, to make the earth a fearful place to live. However, those who work in the light also use sacred geometry to create higher dimensional realities, and this practice is what is saving the earth from extinction. Higher dimensional frequencies of consciousness are directly connected to the energy of oneness and unconditional love, which is the energy of the Supreme Source, the creator of all that is. When light and sacred geometrical shape is harnessed by the consciousness of humans, much light can be sent to the world with the speed of thought, which is faster than the speed of light and sound combined. You can see the potential of both great things and terrifying calamity in the last statement. Take a moment, now, to consider your life and all that is wrong with it. If you focus your energy on the negative elements of your life, what reality are you potentially faced with? What colors and shapes are associated with a life of hardship, emotional trauma and grief? What potential do you think you have to change this reality and to manifest positive things in your life? Now, turn your thoughts around and focus on everything that is good in your life. What are you grateful for? What brings light into your world? As you focus on the positive aspects of your life, what colors and shapes are associated with them? How do the pictures in your mind change and what potential realities now appear to you? Do you notice a marked difference in the way you perceive your reality and the potential to manifest good things in your life? Negative and positive frames of consciousness are situated in different dimensions of light frequency. Can you now see that thought processes have their own sacred shape and colors, and thus create dimensions of reality that become true for you? To be living in the fifth dimension, which is that of ascension and oneness, you must first create diamonds of light around your energy fields that are free of the density of thinking that is that of the third dimension. You must become aware of yourself as a spiritual being of light who is one with the light. You must also free yourself of the egotistical nature that is grounded in human existence on the earthly plane. It is not easy and it is also a process that is continuous. One may be in the fifth dimension in 1, 2, or even 3 aspects of their lives, but still grounded in fear in alignment with the third dimension in other aspects. It is always a work in progress, dear hearts, because to live on earth and to be human is the harshest reality of all. The depth of the sacred geometry around you and in the frequency of light held by your chakras and in your aura, reflects the dimension of consciousness you currently hold. To increase the depth of sacred light and shape in your spiritual body, you must first work on the density in your emotional, mental, and physical bodies. Work on being positive and grateful for everything you have and see the negative events in your life as lessons towards soul growth and the opportunity to change what no longer serves you. You are in the driving seat, beloveds, and only you can shun the harsh realities of the physical world and erase them from your consciousness. Do not allow fear to bring your energies back down to the third dimension. Change your reality and the world around you will also change. By raising your consciousness to that of oneness with the Creator, you will bring the sacred energies of light into your life and back into the world. I am yours in service. Lord Melchizedek.